Hey everybody, so I wanted to tell you about something I picked up for the Rebel. It's a tire pressure monitoring system. Let's get this out of the box. There's an app. I'll download that, and then we will put on the TPMS sensors themselves. So we'll see you in a minute. Alright, let's get this opened. This was like 90 bucks. They had some pretty good reviews. Here it is. OBD2 bike, TPMS for motorcycle. I don't know who this is from, but it's Bluetooth. I'll leave a link in the description. I got this on Amazon. Let me open this up. There we go. Come on, let's get it all the way open. Alright, here we go. Yeah, it looks just like the picture. So, here's your little sensors. I'm hoping the paper's in here. They come with, I think they said they're supposed to be rechargeable. Let's see what comes in this little box. Come on. Oh, we got these. There's like little nuts. I think that's to help keep them on. They give you a wrench and then something else. Let's see here. You get a keychain. I don't know what these are. And this. What is this? What is it? Ooh, that was close. Oh, this must be the little wrench piece, I guess. It's made out of plastic, though. That's kind of weird. Let me glance at the instructions and see what we can figure out here. Here we go. Scan QR code for user's guide. You guys can check it out before if you want to get one of these, check it out beforehand. All right, let me scan that and let's see what we need to do. Yeah, I knew it was going to rain. Let me, we'll finish this up inside and then I will come out and put them on, and hopefully it won't be raining when we do that. We'll see you in a minute. Hang on. Here's one. We're going to pull it. Dang. What the hell, Maynard? I gotta unscrew this. Let me set you down here. This is where the battery's at, apparently. Now you can see the battery. There we go. You're supposed to pull out. Alright. Now we can screw this back out. Don't cross thread it. There's one. Alright. Alright, well, I decided to just wait here and try it again. So we want to be in PSI. We want the temperature in F. We want to set it. Okay. Add new. Motorbike. Okay. Tire position. Front tire, rear tire. Yes. We got our two little guys here. Enter your profile name. We're just gonna say Iceman 50. Done. Next. Okay. Alert at 0 pressure. Okay, so front tire, minimum 26, recommended 29, max 30. Okay, so it's the same for the rest. Okay. It's all optional. We're not gonna enter the vehicle details because I might swap these up. Install. Screw onto the rear tire. Touch sensor with your mobile. Press proceed. If the sensor is installed, remove it first and repeat. Okay. So rear tire. Screw onto the rear tire position. Let's go do that. Over here. Okay. Okay. I don't think we're going to need all that other stuff. I don't think. Okay. All right. Proceed. Installing RT sensor. Scanning. Sensor too far. Remove the sensor for 8 seconds. Screw the sensor back on. Touch sensor with your mobile. Okay. So, unscrew it. Screw the sensor back to the tire. I guess we got to be pretty close. All right. And we're just going to say retry. What the? Checking sensor details, saving to cloud, install. Okay, so now we want to install the front sensor. Well, that was pretty easy. It's weird that you gotta touch it on there. Let's let me get the other sensor. Wherever that went. Did it go in my pocket? Where'd I put it? What the heck did I do with it? Is it in the bag? What the heck did I do with it? Hang on. It just fell out of the bag. Okay. Put this on here. Like I said, screw it in. Here. Okay. Now we're gonna click proceed and we're gonna put it right up to the phone. Installing sensor, scanning, checking ownership, save to cloud, installation complete. There you go. So now we can see I'm 27.8 on the front, and I'm at 27.7 on the back. So we're gonna probably need to pump these up a little bit, but it's cool. It shows you the temperature, battery status. That's pretty neat. Hang on a second. All right, so that's it. You can see it's pretty simple. We got the numbers we want. Oh, sensor details. That's kind of cool. I'll have to look through the app, but I'll have to give you another video and let you know how it ends up working out. But so far it had some good reviews on Amazon, so that's what we're gonna go with. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one, and ride safe. Easy.
Two things.